Yeah, my name is Sam from Variuscard or twigitals. Twigitals is the project name, founding from two companies. Sorry if my English is not the best. Also the presentation is on German, but I try to translate everything, and maybe sometimes it will be a bit dual language. But if you have any questions, you can tell them every time during the presentation. And yeah, twigitals, what is it all about? By twigitals, we have the thing about we connect worlds. We combine the physical and the digital world without a bridge technology. About me shortly, my name is Sam. I'm from Variuscard. I'm the production manager and project manager there. I started 2018 with my first experiences in the blockchain by buying crypto assets, I think like the most of you. In 2019 was my first contact with NFTs, which we are mainly focusing. I'm a co-founder of twigitals. Yeah, so what's twigitals about? Twigitals is a project from two companies, Variuscard and VariusSystems. By Variuscard, we are a manufacturing based in Vienna, where we basically produce plastic cards, like you know from your bank card or hotel access cards with Nfc Technology in it. Yeah, there we have knowledge since 50 years, family-founded company. And the second company, so Variuscard is about the physical product, where we produce it, print it, and have the whole manufacturing in Vienna. VariusSystems is the software developing company. By VariusSystems, we're focusing on cloud-based software engineering. Since 2020, we have, I think, around 30 developers by VariusSystems, also in Vienna. VariusSystems and Card is in the same building, all in the 22 district in Vienna. Yeah, twigitals, which comes from both worlds, so we have 8 members working on it, some from Variuscard, some from VariusSystems, was founded in 2021 in October. We were at the NFT conference in New York, and we found some ideas what we can do with our technology, what we basically have done in some products before. By Variuscard, we are a producer since 2019 of the Austrian crypto stamp, for example. And our vision by twigitals is to combine the physical and digital world. The products would we mainly, or products what we mainly offer is tokenization of assets, product verification, print on demand. That's a service where we say, okay, you have an NFT, you want to print it and tokenize this on your side with a secure NFC chip. We have a platform where you can log in with your wallet, and every certificated collection can be printed on a size what you want. Yeah, also card wallets is something what we do. Card wallets basically are simply wallets on a card with your secret word lists behind, secured through a white label. That's a security label which shows you when you open it, it shows that it was open one time. Card wallets are a good product to engage new people into the blockchain and NFT space, because you can already mint a token. Maybe it's an asset, it's a crypto asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or an NFT on this wallet. And people can buy these card wallets and have bought NFTs or cryptos, and they've done it in the common way. You gave them a bridge to come into the space and give them a platform then to educate themselves about, okay, and for next time, how do you get Bitcoin, how do you get Ethereum, what do I have to do? And yeah, with twigitals we combine these both worlds. One time from the product what we develop, what we manufacture in Vienna, and that's a bright thing, from glass to wood, plastics, also the cards, but also merchandise. Shortly, I don't was sure if if everybody knows what basically an NFT is, maybe some people are first time here and haven't ever heard something about it. I think everybody knows what an NFT is, or? Yeah, so non-fungible, not copyable token. So what is a phygital? This is what we do. Phygital is the combining of both worlds. The word was founding from the marketing sector about physical and digital. Together it's a phygital. It don't have to be a product, it also can be an experience, a phygital experience. For example, if I buy a ticket and go to an event, I show them the ticket on my phone, he scans the QR code, it's a phygital experience. I've combined both worlds. And this is possible through multiple of technologies, what we all know. One of the best examples is Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go has its highness in 2020 with about 160 million players, and from in-game buying, it was 1.2 millions, really? Yeah, billions. About from in-game buying, what they have done. Yeah, of course, why is Pokemon Go a phygital? Pokemon Go is a phygital experience because you go through the world, have augmented reality on, and go to catch some Pokemons. And then comes the question, why do you need phygitals? Why have they done this? Because they wanted to generate more people to get the product. You can use phygitals for a community tool to get them access in a limited community, have it as marketing tool, easy access like the card wallets where you can engage more people into the blockchain space, gamification, and also if you come more from a production side, you can use it to track some production insights on the blockchain. You could use it to write down how many pieces have I produced of this hoodie, to see everything what's going to track down. How has this been done? With a bridge technology. Four of the most common bridge technologies are QR codes, augmented reality, virtual reality, and NFC technology. And if you combine this all in one product, you have a really techy, nice, physical product would give you a virtual experience. What we use at twigitals for our products to, for example, get this hoodie into the blockchain as an NFT and tokenize these things is NFC technology, so near-field communication, what you know from every bank card. When I pay something with my phone, it's done through NFC technology. Yeah, so by twigitals, we get your product, or we produce a product for your digital product and combine this with our secure NFC technology. Our NFC technology works. We have a demo project called the Variuscard. There were 999 NFTs, and they with 999 art prints. The art print on itself has an NFC chip inside, which when you scan it, you come to a verification page. On this verification page, you have applications, like you can see here. You see one time the NFT, down on the downside you see the verification of it, so it's a successful NFC scan. You can also link an application on this proof of presence. So when there is a proof of presence, NFC check is successful, you could do a transaction. Yeah, you see the project name, the token number, so every token, the token what you have from the Variuscard, token number 6, your product, the art print is token number 6. You see the current owner, which is a dynamic viewing of it. So if you don't have the NFT anymore in your wallet, you will see the other wallet address, the other public wallet address, of course. Yeah, and because of it, it's a one-time session. You have an algorithm on the chip by the encoding, which generates every time a new web session. So if I just refresh the website, it will come to this one. It's an old NFC scan. This old NFC scan says the product is not real at the moment. Please scan it again to get a login to the page. Also, there's a counter on it. It's something a customer can decide if you want this or not. In this case, we had 70 times scanned in the past, and the last scan is away, like less than a minute ago was the last scan. You have the description of the project. You see all attributes like you know it from OpenSea. This is all a web application, what can be used for every project and what can be designed as you want. Other project where this technology can be integrated is, for example, merchandise. All the NFTs or the 3D models can be integrated in a metaverse or with augmented reality, which you also can applicate on the chip. So if the product was scanned, then you can use the augmented reality feature. Also with an easier access for people, because most people know how to buy normal products. Not everyone knows how to buy NFTs or cryptos. Project what we've done since 2019 is CryptoStamp. Since today at 10 a.m. the Golden Whale released, and CryptoStamp has started in 2019 with a project from Austrian Post, and you have two target groups where I never thought they come together. One time stamp collectors, one time NFT or crypto collectors. Another thing what now in the market from us is the timeless reflections. This is a project from the Leopold Museum. They made, I think, around 20 artworks from Chile. And we are not named on the press side or everything, but if you buy one of these, you get a digital to it. In this case, it's a box with some special products in it, and like a security placard, what you can see there in the middle, where it say, yeah, you have a real product from the Leopold Museum. You can hang it on your wall. You can show off you have the NFT and get access to maybe the museum. Yeah, so for finishing, we also are hiring. We're searching for key account manager-in for blockchain and NFT projects. If you want to join us, just go to twigitals.io/jobs, and you can find the description and everything what you need to get in contact with us. Are there any questions?
Thanks for the talk. I wonder what is the use of NFC card after it's getting scanned and you already received the...
Why we implement NFC chips inside? That you don't get fraud to copycats. Like maybe if you buy a hoodie like this from Louis Vuitton on the secondary market, and you know, okay, there's an NFT also by the side, we see the NFT in this case more as a digital security certificate. And these two things are combined together so that you in the secondary market don't get scammed and also get a certificate from the reseller, from the seller at first. Maybe one good example would be watches. So if you have a watch, you want the full set most of the times. It's a more luxury watch. You want the box, you want the certificate, but the certificate, like they've done it in the past, can be lost anywhere in the world. But if you have the digital certificate, which is the NFT on this side, you can every time, or the reseller could every time reprint your original certificate linked to your product.
Yeah, but you will never own the NFT itself, right?
contains how the customer would like it. So there are both ways. You can own the NFTs, or maybe for watches, there's better that, let's say, for example, Breitling owns the NFTs and just gives you a token which says you are the owner of it now.
I'm not familiar with Nfc technology, but is it protected against copying?
Yes, so this is basically yes. You can't rewrite the chip with anything else. So it's not a chip what you can buy on Amazon or something, and you can encode this kind of structure what we offer with the smartphone.
Thanks.
Could you elaborate a little bit on the Leopold Museum tokenization case you just presented? What is the Leopold Museum doing here?
Yeah, so the tokenization process, there are two ways for tokenization. You can have a physical product and you use the NFT as digital certificate, or you could have the digital NFT and also give a hardware certificate to it with a digital product. And we use as bridge technology, we use NFC chips, because a QR code can easily be reprinted on something else. For the NFC chip, you can integrate it with the same structure as we have, or when you have big technically knowledge and you know which chip is in it and you know the keys, maybe, but you will see that it is a fake lately on the verification page.
Yeah, that's understood. And what are you buying if you buy an NFT from Leopold Museum?
From where, sorry?
From Leopold Museum, what are you buying?
From OpenSea.
From Leopold Museum?
From Leopold. Oh, you get a digital box, which is you have. I don't know if I'm allowed to say what exactly inside is, but it contains a bit which rarity you buy. You have super rare, you have ultra rare. Every time it's glazed plat on wood. In the glass, it's the Nfc technology inside, and you have the verification on it, so that you know you have a member login in it, and on this member side you can get a bit more what only NFT holders can have, and people who have the physical product. Yeah. So Austrian Post. So Austrian Post, today we fixed another deal, and yeah, we are in cooperation or in project with some other companies, but we also have NDAs, so I can't say everything. So CryptoStamp is one big thing what we do since 2019, and mainly the representatives project. What I forgot, we also have card wallets as giveaway here. So if you want, my colleague Dominic has card wallets for everyone who wants one. So you can get a free card wallet.
That's cool. Just so, that would be it. A big applause for Sam and yeah, his presentation. Thanks all.